Hi there, welcome to my new tutorial of Facebook API conversion. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to track select item. Before that, let me tell you I'm expert in Google Analytics for tracking, Serversite tracking, Facebook pixel tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, link tracking, etc. So if you are looking any of the service, you will get my email address and WhatsApp number in the description. Just contact me. I'll set up everything through Google Tag Manager. I'll not use any plugins. I'll set up everything manually through Google Tag Manager, and that is always standard, so that you will not face any problem later for analyzing the data. So let's get started into. So to track a select item for Facebook API, though it is not recommended for Facebook API conversion, but I'm showing it how to do that if you need it to send to your Facebook. So to do that, let's click on any product, then you will get the select item. Here you can see select item, and if you see the select item data here, you can see there are lots of data under items. Under items you will see there are lots of data under items. Okay, let's see. You can see under items there are lots of data. So how many products are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you want to send all this data, so how will you configure that? So to configure that, let's create a trigger for that first. So creating trigger is very easy. So this is the event select item. So I'll create trigger for select item. P. This is custom event. Go to the debugging mode and just copy it from here, and now paste here, just like this. So the trigger for select item has been created. Now create tag for it. So create new tag and give it a name. Select this web pixel. Now add here a web pixel constant variable. So this is the constant variable, and find out the select item. There's no select item here, so the select item does not include in the standard events. So what will you do? We'll click on custom, and let's type it select item. And now we will send the parameter value. Will send first value. So let's see the what is the value of select item. E-commerce. Okay, so for select item there is no value, but if I am not getting the value, total value, but I am getting the price, every product price, so we can also send this price. So we'll send price first, priced, and item ID, item name. So let's see. So to send the price, we have to create a variable first. So create variable from here. I will take all the products in this variable. So if I take the all the products, so the data will be commerce dot ecommerce dot items, select items, copy and paste here. You have to copy this exactly, otherwise it will not work. Then we'll use a code for this because there's no other way. So first of all, we'll send the price here, every price of the product, every product price. So to send the price, just copy the price and send it here. Let's create variable for that. I'm creating variable for value. So through this code, through this code, it will call the price and send to the event manager. So the next thing I will send is currency. So let's see whether we have currency for select item. For every event there is currency. Select this, the currency is the same, so select it, and the next thing is name. So for name we'll use again that code. Let's give it a name. Is data layer variable. We'll select custom JavaScript and paste the code. I'm sending the name, so copy this name and change here and save this. And the next thing we will send this ID, so copy it, paste it here. Now again I will create variable for that. select and custom JavaScript and just copy this code here. Now I'm sending the item ID. So already there is an item ID in the code, so everything has been configured. One thing I have to add here, this the product, right? Product content, sorry, content type is product. Now select the select, where is this select item trigger? Let's find it here, select item trigger, and now just save this. So select item tag for Facebook API conversion has been configured properly. Now let's see whether it is working or not. So to check that, go to the PV mode, you can see page view has been proceed. Now select any product, then the select item will find. You can see this is the custom event select item. If you click on the arrow, see this, what I have seen. I have seen the currency, value, content ID, content type, content name. You can see if you select, where's the select item? Here it is. Go to data layer, and I will check first the ID 314, 307, 317. Let's check this 5717. Everything is okay. Now select, now check the value, check this. The first one value is 30, 30, 25, 45. You can check value. Okay, let's check the value again. It is taking all the value, but not, it is taking value under items. So I have, as I have taken these items under e-commerce, as I have taken these items, so it will show according to this list. So first price is 40, then 25, then 45. Let's see, 40, 25, then 00, 45. Okay, 45. Okay, so the data is receiving like this. Okay, so you can see everything has been receiving perfectly. The last one is 55. Let's check it. The last one is 55. You can see 55. Last one is 55, and the second last is 45, and all the data are receiving correctly. So thank you so much for watching this video.